YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a problem when it says that you cannot connect to Xbox Live. I'm going to show you how to fix it. From when you play Xbox 360 games from the Xbox One, first of all, click on Settings, and then you want to go to System, and then from System, you want to go over, okay, to Storage Devices. Click on Storage Devices, and then what you want to do is go to Clear Local Xbox 360 Storage. Then it will take you to this venue here, and simply just click yes. And that's literally it. That's how you fix the issue. If it doesn't work the